Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to do another what I eat in a day video, except I am showing you what I eat in a day on my 18th birthday. So I hope you enjoy. For breakfast, I just had some cherries, and then I also got a bagel from Panera. Some of their bagels aren't vegan, like the chocolate chip one, the cinnamon one, obviously the cheese one, and maybe like a few others, but their blueberry one and their like oatmeal and everything bagel one and a few others are vegan, so they're super good if you haven't tried them before. So that's what I have for breakfast. So I ate that, and then I also put a little clip in there of my dog in the car, and that's because we went to the dog park. For lunch, I ate at a restaurant. It's in the Kansas City, Missouri area, and it's called Cafe Gratitude. It's 100% vegan. They also have gluten-free options and fully raw options, and some of their desserts are sugar-free too. So yeah, a lot of their stuff is super healthy, but it's also really good. And I got the mac and cheese. It was, I'm not gluten-free, but it just happened to be gluten-free, and it was made, the cheese was made with Brazil nuts and cashew. So I took that to go, and at home I made just a little salad with some spring mix and romaine lettuce. I also had some oat milk, chocolate milk. Later, I made some chocolate covered raisins. I use the Trader Joe's, either the Trader Joe's chocolate chips or the Aldi chocolate chips. Those are the only two brands I have found that aren't super expensive but are vegan and also good. So comment down below if you like raisins or you don't like raisins, because I feel like either people love raisins or hate raisins. So comment down below if you're team raisin or team grapes or team neither. For dinner, I had some vegan lasagna, which I've always wanted to make vegan lasagna, and I never have until now, and it is so good. And I use like a normal vegan mozzarella cheese, and I use vegan feta cheese, and it is really good. I've never tried it before, but it is so good. I totally recommend it. I got mine from Whole Foods, but you can probably get it from other places too. And so yeah, those two cheeses were on the lasagna, and then some tomato sauce and lasagna noodles that you don't have to boil, so they're already partially cooked. You just have to put them in the oven and then they'll be completely cooked. And I also put some spinach in there, and it was so good. And also a sprinkle of basil. And on the side I had some cucumbers from my garden, carrots, and a radish. For dessert, and also the last thing I ate, I had a slice of vanilla vegan cake and chocolate vegan cake. I got them from Whole Foods, but Whole Foods doesn't make them. Whole Foods, at least where I live, only makes a chocolate cake and a cookies and cream cake. And I've already had those like a few times before, so I wanted to try something new. So I got it at Whole Foods, but a bakery sends it like from California to here. It wasn't my favorite, but it was still okay, especially the vanilla. Vanilla was actually pretty good. So, yeah. Guess what I got for my birthday? An air fryer, and I bet you know what that means. I'm gonna make some videos on vegan air fryer recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you in another video. Bye.